How to get an Aquarius man to fall in love with you. Aquarius men are known for their unique and independent nature. They are thinkers, valuing intelligence and freedom more than anything else. If you want to win the heart of an Aquarius man, you need to understand how his mind works and what truly attracts him. This guide shares 10 simple yet effective ways to get an Aquarius man to fall in love with you. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. 10 guides how to get an Aquarius man to fall in love with you. 1. Stimulate his mind. Aquarius men love deep and interesting conversations. Talk about new ideas, science, or unusual topics. Show him that you are curious and open-minded. 2. Keep your independence. He respects a woman who has her own life and interests. Don't be too clingy or dependent. Let him see that you can stand on your own 2 feet. 3. Be yourself, even if you're different. Aquarius men appreciate uniqueness. Don't hide your quirks or unusual habits. Being authentic is more attractive than trying to fit in. 4. Show compassion. Aquarius men often care about helping others. If you are involved in causes or care about the world, it will catch his attention. 5. Be calm with your emotions. He may not respond well to strong emotional displays. Be honest but keep your feelings calm and measured. Let him get to know you slowly. 6. Build a strong friendship. Before love, Aquarius men want to feel a real connection as friends. Spend time sharing interests and laughing together. 7. Be open to learning. Show that you enjoy learning new things. Whether it's books, ideas, or new skills, an Aquarius man admires a woman who keeps growing. 8. Give him space. He values freedom and hates feeling trapped. Don't pressure him for commitment. Let him come to you naturally. 9. Talk about the future. Aquarius men are visionaries. Discuss your dreams, hopes, and plans for the future. This will inspire him. 10. Be confident alone. He notices how you handle being by yourself. If you're confident and happy alone, it will make you even more attractive to him. Winning an Aquarius man's heart isn't about chasing him, it's about connecting with his mind and respecting his independence. Be genuine, interesting, and patient. In time, he will see you as someone truly special. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.